Hey, this is Charlie with MC Window Tinting. We're working on this brand new Tesla Model 3, doing paint protection film from GeoShield. I went with a full front end package, full hood, fender, bumper, headlights, and mirrors for the most protection possible. Plans on keeping this car for a long time, and he wants it to stay brand new as long as he can. I've been window tinting about 8 years now, and paint protection film 4 to 5 years. I come from an automotive background, car stereo, alarms, remote starts, custom fab work, and decided to jump into automotive film, a little less stress, more enjoyable. We use all GeoShield window film and paint protection film. Our entry level is a carbon-based film, and everything above that, everything has lifetime warranty against any bubbling, peeling, fading, discoloration. It's a very time-consuming process, normally a day or two, full days for a full front end. We use a lot of high-pressure water just to make sure there's no contaminants underneath the film. It just takes a lot of time, but in order to do it right, make sure there's no contaminants, stretch marks, cut paint, things of that nature. You really have to focus on what you're doing panel by panel instead of trying to just rush through it. Nowadays, a lot of people are starting to invest a lot more money in their cars. The car market's been crazy, so when you're spending $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 on a vehicle, you want to make sure it's protected the best you can, at least. It does definitely affect resale value. You don't have to worry about getting panels repainted if you're going to sell it. It protects UV, rock chips, minor scratches. Like I said, it is self-healing. It's just much more common for people to hold on to their cars a little bit longer. Still, people are leasing vehicles and might get rid of them after 2 or 3 years. That's never gonna change, but you still don't wanna have to pay for a new paint job, you know, when you go and trade a car in. Like this Tesla here, it's not the cheapest car in the world. Whether it be your toy car, Corvettes, you know, these Mustangs, anything that's low, work trucks, whether it be a commuter car, there's benefits, whether it's just a garage queen or you drive every day on the highway racking up miles, you know, you want it to look good. I don't know anyone who wants their car to be covered in rock chips and look like crap. I know I don't. It's just, it's beneficial no matter what kind of car it is. It is a big sticker, but it's much more complicated than that.